Hey, my name's Tom Effinger.
Hi, I'm Colin Stackpole.
Hi, my name's Yvonne.
I own Stackpole VFX, or The Stack.
I am the owner of Red Hook Post, which is a post-production facility in Red Hook, Brooklyn.
I run a business called YPI, which I'm a project manager that runs capital projects for a lot of commercial spaces in the city.
I've known Bob Russo and Susy for about 6 years. I made a move from Manhattan out to Brooklyn and had asked a friend for a recommendation for an accountant, and they highly recommended Bob. I have been working with him then for the last 6 years.
I knew nothing about taxes, and starting my own business here and actually having to get down to the soup and nuts of everything and running my own business instead of having somebody else take care of the paperwork, they've made it extremely easy for me in understanding what taxes are.
I've been with Bob and Susy for a couple of years now, and they have really helped me build the backbone of my finance and accounting structure to my company. They help with my bookkeeping, they help with all sorts of accounting and all sorts of taxes, and I'm really appreciative of what they do.
They're a very professional group, and they have so many parts of services that they can do for you, and I just feel like I'm in great hands and that they really take care of the accounting at a very high level.
I originally formulated myself as an LLC, and they gave me the great advice to become an S-Corp, which would save me a lot on taxes. So right out of the gates, they were giving me great advice.
Susy's the type of accountant that will reach out before you need to reach out, so I highly appreciate that. You know, if I have any questions where I might need to text or email to get quick responses, they're always there. And it's a team, so Bob is there with Susy, but Susy's my point person. Bob is there with his expertise on a quarterly basis to really talk about planning.
You know, Bob and Susy have really been great, and I think any good accountant, and particularly Bob Russo, will save you money because they are really looking out for all the details on how to best do your taxes, your tax picture.
When I met Bob, I felt an instant rapport with him, and then Susy came on the scene a little bit later, but she has been handling our family taxes and my business taxes as well as my wife's business taxes for the last 5 years, and the service has been great. Every time I go in there for a meeting, I feel at home. They're really, really smart. Like, I know nothing about it, but Bob can tell you anything you want to know about taxes.
Susy and Bob have worked really hard to save me money. More importantly, they've also saved me a lot of time. So I don't actually have to worry or have a panic attack every time the IRS writes a letter. It's usually good news, not bad news, which I used to get.
And they're constantly reminding me what I need to do, which is great, because I would never, ever be able to get it done without their help or their prodding sometimes.
And really, lastly, I'd just say I can't recommend them highly enough. I think they're great people. I think they really care about what they do, and I'm very happy to be working with them, so I give them my highest recommendation.